loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Please click that red subscribe button if you're new here. Today I'm sharing with you some back to school mom hacks to make that getting back to school routine just a little bit easier for you.
First hack, figure out what your new back to school schedule will be and your morning routine, and practice that for a week or two before the first day of school so that it doesn't feel as shocking to you and your littles.
Are you excited? Yeah! Her bags, and her keys, and her phone, and her coffee.
And this hack, have a don't forget list on your door so that you don't forget anything important for school. And I added a couple of fun things to the list too, like your smile and don't forget how much I love you.
Snack, book bag, smile, and how much I love you. Bye, Polly, love you. Did you have a good day? Yeah, it was fun.
And after school, having a drop zone basket seems to work best for preschoolers at the moment, since hooks in our house are a little higher up and harder for them to reach. So this way they learn to put their bags in a place and not just toss them wherever. It keeps it decluttered. And I feel like having it next to my desk in the kitchen helps so I can easily go through folders for papers and pack their lunches for the next day.
So another mom hack, if you get a larger keychain for your little ones' lunch boxes, it can make it so much easier for them then to pull the zipper open and close so they're not struggling at school when they're by themselves trying to get their lunch out. Here, try it now. Use that so it's easier for your little hands. See? Yeah. Open right up, huh?
Yeah. Opens right up.
Whoa!
One other tip, pack an extra set of clothes in their book bags that are pants, shirts, socks, undies, the full gamut, just in case so your little one can change at school if they need to.
So I'm sure if you want to be extra organized, this is obvious, picking out your kiddos' clothes the night before, and I'm really gonna aim for doing it the week before. So having every outfit set out for that week so that it's super simple. But I didn't want to get one of those hanging organizers, I've seen that, or separate bins. I just wanted to kind of keep everything nice and neat and efficient and hanging there in the closet. So here is my hack for doing that. I found these chalkboard hanging labels and I labeled them for every single day of the week, a set for Landon and Presley. And what I'm going to do is hang them on the hanger over the clothes, and this way whatever I pick out I can have it on the hanger labeled for that day and just hang it directly into the closet there. And I just love me my chalk labels, but you could totally do this with a piece of paper and string. You could DIY this really easy. And I promised in my last vlog that I was going to do a jcpenney haul, and I would like to thank jcpenney for sponsoring this back to school hacks video today. We got some really cute back to school outfits for the kiddos, and I picked up a couple of things for myself. And I'll walk you through all of it, and I'll have it all linked in case there's anything you see that you're interested in. But seriously, there were such great deals, and everything is so fashion forward, and it's just very, very affordable. So you should definitely check out jcpenney because they are always having sales, and everything is just so cute and on trend for this season. So here is what I got for Presley, and I took the kids with me so they helped pick all of this out. She was really into everything rainbow this year, and I thought these jeans for her were so freaking cute with the rainbow on the pockets, and she got a couple of different rainbow tops, and her cousin loves the JoJo bows and she was asking for them, so we found a really cute rainbow JoJo bow. Also just got her a jean jacket staple because the one she currently has is really tight on her. And I just found some other basics, like I loved this black and white striped one with the little tie-up, and another just like plain gray sweater, but with this gray glitter JoJo bow. She also picked that one out. All right, for Landon, this is what I got him this year. I always shop in outfits, so I love this just like neutral black and gray set, and I figured that this striped shirt could either go with these black jeans or these very faded jeans. I loved these, and I love that the top, just for him, for like ease of going to the bathroom in school, they're super easy to pull on and off. And I got him this cute flannel button up, and gym class genius, this is so soft, with some khakis. For me, there was just too many cute things that I couldn't pass up, and I actually found some amazing jewelry. So I loved these tassel earrings with the rose gold, and I just loved this sweater. Like the detail on it is really, really cute.
And these boots, they actually have like comfort padding on the inside of these boots. So I loved these with a studded detail. Just got some basic stretch jeans. I also got them in like the darker wash too that I'm wearing here. And I loved this wrap blue sweater with these earrings. I thought that was just a really cute combination. And I got a little workout set. It's seriously so soft and comfy, but I loved these leggings with the flowers and just a basic tee for fall. Now my budget was $150 a person for back to school shopping and the fall pieces for myself, and I feel like I was able to stick to my budget and get some really cute outfits by shopping at jcpenney. So I will have a link in my description box to the items that I got, and I think you're gonna find some really cute stuff because I know I sure did if you check out jcpenney. And also everything I'm wearing in this video and everything that the kids are wearing and their backpacks and their lunch boxes all were at jcpenney. They just had such incredible deals that I was able to find everything that I needed for back to school, so definitely check it out if there's anything else that you're still shopping for. And another hack I love, I got some letter stickers and I'm personalizing the kids' art supply boxes and their folders for in their book bags. And one of the things I remember my mom always doing for me is leaving a little post-it note in my lunch or my supply box of just, I heart you. So I'm gonna put one in each of the kids' supply boxes so that when they open it up, they get a little note from me. And one other back to school hack that I love so that the kids get really excited about going back to school is letting them personalize their folders and their supply box too with fun stickers. In case you don't have ice packs or if they somehow get lost and disappear, you can throw your juice boxes right in your freezer, and this is your ice pack to go, and it doesn't matter if it doesn't return home at the end of the day. When it comes to all the papers and projects that get sent home, I got 2 scrapbook containers to store special art projects or special assignments that I want to keep for the kiddos each year. And on my desk, I have a folder for each kid to store any important information that I'll need to refer to from their school. I got the kids lunch boxes at jcpenney this year, along with I found some really cute like freezer packs, these snack sets. I love how colorful those were. This actually came inside of Presley's lunch bag. And then they have a sandwich and snack kit. I got one for Presley and one for Landon. And then there's also these collapsible meal kits that I thought would be perfect for packing both snacks and lunches for them at school this year, and everything was so affordable. And that's another hack. Don't wait until the morning. Pack lunches and snacks the night before just so that your morning isn't as chaotic. Also, have a snack caddy for your car with drinks and snacks. Whenever I pick up the kids, they're always starving, and this way I have something to give them in case we need to run an errand after school. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope these hacks help you and that you have an amazing back to school. I'm such a nerd. That was my favorite time of year as a kid, and I just miss being a teacher so much, and the back to school for my classroom, decorating it and meeting my new students was so much fun for me. So I hope that your kiddos have a wonderful experience. And if you use any of these hacks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can share. Or if you find any great deals at jcpenney, tag me in those too. I want to see your looks and share them. And if there's any hacks I've missed, share those in the comments below too so that we can all learn from each other. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.